Purge valve test leak. Smoke. You can see the smoke coming out from the top. Small leak. You got small leak right there. Same thing this side too. It's kind of hard to see, but smoke's coming out. New one. New purge valve. Part number. 50 bucks. You got the new purge valve in. Tighten it down.
Cái chân mà chưa
The
cứng lắm.
line. Connector. Now I'm going to show you the code. This is 2012 50. Let's see any pending code. Nope. Memory code. Evap small leak right there. Now I'm gonna clear it. This one's the easy one. So that's it. Cycle the key. Shut the car back up. And that's it. So if you guys like my video, leave it a thumbs up. Comment anything down below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Share and subscribe, guys. Thank you.